Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for you, and it's all about the Sugarbear Hair Vitamins Extra Strength. If you're looking for the best hair regrowth treatment on the market, you're in for a treat. Now, let's dive right in and talk about why these gummies have taken the beauty world by storm. First things first, these gummies taste absolutely amazing. They come in a sweet and fruity flavor that makes taking your daily hair vitamins feel like a delightful treat. And trust me, it's a refreshing change from those traditional vitamin pills. But here's the real kicker: these gummies deliver results. I've been taking them for over a year, and the impact on my hair has been nothing short of incredible. My hair grew inches, and I can confidently say it's now past the bra strap. Let's talk about what makes Sugarbear hair vitamins so effective. These gummies are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that promote hair health. You'll find biotin, vitamin C, vitamin E, and more in this scientifically formulated blend. One of the best things about Sugarbear hair is its versatility. It works for all genders, and while it may not treat male pattern baldness, it definitely supports overall hair health for both men and women. Now, what sets Sugarbear apart is their commitment to quality and transparency. They're vegetarian-friendly and free from artificial flavors, preservatives, and gluten. You know exactly what you're putting into your body. Plus, the packaging is incredibly convenient. Each serving is individually wrapped, making it easy to grab and take on the go. No excuses for missing your daily dose. In my experience, these gummies have been a game changer. My hair is shinier, stronger, and more resilient. Breakage? Almost non-existent. And did I mention the growth? It's undeniable. So there you have it, folks. Sugarbear Hair Vitamins Extra Strength is not just a tasty treat but a powerful tool in your hair care arsenal. If you're looking for the best hair regrowth treatment, give these gummies a try. You won't regret it. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.